Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Wcopa University, Meghalaya.
Usamla Kitkupar Nongsiej akakat sau tarik unaitung araja apun rio ulakir rensan ha Amerika daga Phong ya Riam Khasi Tynrai ha gurukom balatiap kumko opening ceremony of the Parade of Nations. Wat hagani ke program ula penithu ila di hakmat kinong penyai kinong bishar bat hakmat kinong Ïashim Bynta lagi hindrabo tuli kiri ke pertai ki balawan ban Ïashim Bynta ha ke 28 Annual World Championships of Performing Arts bala pelong ha Las Vegas jonggari Amerika ke bala stang ledu ke khatlai tarik unaitung araja apun rio. Lawan berken ma wo samla Kitkupar Nongsiej ule usamla nagashnong kunci bangla jong Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Laula dan Bynta hagari Amerika ban Ïashim Bynta haga 28 Annual World Championships of Performing Arts. Hadian bula syajid ban mikmat dari India syaga tiga lempung Wcopa kabahe haga pertai.
Make some noise for India! Holding it down for their country.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.